Friend, in this video we will tell you how to use one WhatsApp account on two phones. As you can see right now, we have two different phones and both of team have different WhatsApp account. So we will learn how to use the same WhatsApp account on two phones. To do this, you need to make some settings on the second phone. So we will open the second phone, open WhatsApp, click on the three dots and go to settings. Okay, click on the plus icon and here tap on add WhatsApp account. After that, click on agree and continue. Click on the three dots and 10. Click on link as device. After that, a QR code will appear here. Now you need to scan it from the other phone. Click on the three dots, go to setting and click on QR. The click on scan code and after clicking it will scan the QR code from here. After scanning it, you need to agree here and then once again you need to scan it one more time. Now after scanning, you need to wait a little. After that, your WhatsApp, the other WhatsApp will starting running on this device. So we will wait for a little while. Now you can see that your some WhatsApp has started running on both phones. So this is how you can easily use it like this video.